Hello students, I am Jadhav Yasvi. We start to learn math for 5th standard. Chapter's name is multiples and factors. Here is a conversation. Look, Dada says, I have 12 pedas. I have to put them in equal groups so that no peda is left over. How many pedas must I put in each group? Dada says he have 12 pedas and he want to put them equal groups and he want to no peda is left over. How many pedas he ask how many peda in each group. Then Sanju says putting into groups means dividing. None left over means that the remainder will be 0. When we put into groups anything we putting into groups, it means dividing, and none left over means remainder will be 0. Sanju says. Then Anju says 12 is divisible by 2, so we can make groups of 2. Manju says 12 is divisible by 3, so we make group 3. Then Sagar says we can also make group 4. Anita says we make group of 5. He asks, can we make groups of 5? Then Manju said no, because 12 is not divisible by 5. Look, Anju says 12 is divisible by 2, so we make 2 group. Manju says 12 is also divisible by 3, so we can make 3 groups. Then Sagar says 4 is also divisible by 12, so we make 4 groups. Then Anita asks, can we make 5 groups? No, because 12 is not divisible by 5. We can, then Anju said, we can divide it by 12 by 6, so group 6 can be made. Manju said, we can't make group 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 because we can't divide 12 by any of these numbers. We can make one group of 12 and give it one person, or we could give 12 people one peda each also. Then Dada said, very good. 12 is exactly divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 6, divisible by 1 and 12, which means the remainder is 0. These numbers are called divisors or factors of 12. Which numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These numbers are factors of 12. Similarly, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are factors of 16. That means which number is divisible by any number, these are divisors or factors. Now we can solve practice set. Write the factors of following numbers. First of all, we factors 8. It means we find divisibility of 8. Like this. 8. 8 is divisible by 2. Then 4. Then 8. And here 1. these are factors of 8 because this 8 is divisible by 2, divisible by 4 and divisible by 8 and divisible by 1. So these numbers are factors of 8. Here 5. 5 is divisible by 1 and only 5. Then 1 and 5 is factors of 5. Then 14. 14 is divisible by 1, then 2, then 7 and 14. It means 1, 2, 7 and 14 are factors of 14. Here is 10. 10 is divisible by 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are factors. Then 7. 7 is divisible by 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 are factors of 7. 22. Here is 1, then 2, then 11 because 11 is divisible by 22 is divisible by 11 and 22. These are factors. Like this, with help of divisibility, you can find factors. Okay, thank you.